Hello guys! Today I want to show you how to see delete messages on Discord. So first head over to Better Discord, click on the first link that appears to you, download the version. Now get back here and just click on the SR Just Download under Discord. Just accept, click on Next, Install, select the Discord version, click on Install, and just click Install everything close. The next step is to download the Like Better Discord plugin, so click Like Better Discord and download the local version too. I already downloaded it now here. Just open Discord and just let's copy this message, Logger V2 plugin, and wait for Discord to open. Scroll down to find plugins, click on plugins, click on Open Plugin folder, and just paste here the message login version that we just downloaded. Go back to Discord and you should successfully just send a message, and you can delete the message and see if you can see it or not. So delete it and get back to plugins again. And just click on message login video and you should see all your deleted messages here. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.